All right, here's a quick guitar session. So on the guitar, you have your frets right here, and the frets are numbered from farthest to closest to you. So this is fret number 1, fret number 2, fret number 3, fret number 4, fret number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the double dots represent the 12th fret, which is an octave of the open string. This is an open E. This is an octave E right here. So that's the 12th fret. And then you notice the odd frets have a single dot. This is 5, 7, 9. So you got your fret 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And then the strings are numbered from thinnest to thickest. So this string down here is the thinnest. That's the 1. The 2 string, the 3 string, 4 string, 5 string, the 6th string is the thickest. This is the thickest. That's string number 6. So going over to the interval of a major scale. So a major scale is whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. So if we were in the key of F, F is this first string, first fret on the 6th string. So this is F. That's 1. If you go whole on the guitar, every fret is a half step. So 1, whole, that's 2. Whole again, that's 3. So 3, 1, 2, 3. And then 3 to 4 is a half step. So between these two strings is a half step. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is below the 1 right here. 5 is below the 2, and 6 is below the 3. You could go 1, whole, whole, half, half, right there between the 3 and 4. And then whole again, then whole again, then whole again. So F, 2, whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. That's the octave. But that's a little impractical to go that way, so you're going to go 1, whole, 2, whole, 3, and then 4 is underneath the 1, 5 is underneath the 2, and then 6 is underneath the 3. So knowing that that's your intervals, if you go to the 1 chord, it's a major. The 2 is a minor. 3 is a minor. 4 is a major. 5 is a major. And 6 is a minor. One more time. 1 is a major. 2 is a minor. 3 is a minor, 4 is a major, 5 is a major, 6 is a major. That same the same interval applies for any key. So if we were in the key of G, which G is right here, you start off in G is 1, that's a major, 2 is a minor, 3 is a minor, 4 is a major, below the G, 5 is a major below the 2. 6 is a minor below the 3. So that if you were to name the chords, it would be G major, that's the 1. Whole step is A minor. And then whole step again would be B minor. And then a half step, so from B to C is a half step, so C major, D major is the 5, and then 6 is the E minor. Now if you don't want to play bar chords, you can play it with a regular fingering, and you can figure out how to do the finger positions by watching there's like a gazillion YouTube videos on where to place your fingers. They're all free. This is G, that's 1. 2 is A minor. 3 is B minor. 4 is C. 5 is D. 6 is E minor. So one more time, G is 1 to A minor, to 3, B minor, 4, C major, D major is 5, and then 6 is E minor. So this applies to any key. So if you were doing a 1, 5, 6, 4 progression, 1, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be your name. 1, 5, 6, 4. So let's say, for example, that wasn't the right key for your vocal range, and you want to go up to the A. So from G to A is a whole step. So you would want to put a whole step by putting the capo on the 2nd fret. That's a whole step right there. So by using a capo, you can change the key easily on a guitar. So if you were to play a G position, that's your 1, that's actually an A chord now by using the capo. So you use the same progression, 1, 5, 6. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be your name. Blessed be the 1, 5, 6, 4. So nothing changes except the use of a capo. Let's say A is not quite there, so I want to take it to B. From A to B is a whole step, so move it another 2 frets on the capo. And same thing, this G is actually a B chord now. So going back to the 1, 5, 6, 4, 1, 5, 6, 4. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be your name. Blessed be your name of the Lord. Blessed be your glorious name. So that's the key of B. Let's say B just didn't work out for you and you want to take it to C. Well, from B to C, remember, it's only a half step, so you move the capo 1 fret. So playing this G position is actually now a C. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be your name. Blessed be the 1, 5, 6, really had time to learn 6 chords, you can actually play in any key. Probably 95% of all songs that we play in praise and worship. So if you learn the G in 1, the 2, A minor, the 3, B minor, the 4, C, the 5, D, the 6, E minor. If you just learn the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chords in the key of G, you can transpose that to be in any key on the guitar, and you'll be able to play a large portion of the songs that we do just by transposing it with a capo like this. Because a capo is really just acts like a bar chord, this finger right here. Because if I played a G, this is G right here. This is a bar chord G. Blessed be the name. That's the 1. To the 5 is down here below the 2. To the 6. To the 4. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be your name. That's using bar chords, and it's 1, 5, 6, 4. Simple. If you change it to the key of F, it's still 1, 5, 6, 4, 4. Of the Lord, blessed be your name. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be your glorious name. Yeah. So, it should be pretty straightforward. Enjoy.